and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Mines Department issues notices to 42 mining leases for continuation of delay, asks for written submission by 20th December. Panels sitting in Delhi cannot solve mining issues in Goa. Government will restart mining only after beating illegalities, says CM on his birthday. Miki convicted for hurting junior electricity engineer but released under probation of Offenders Act. Suspended PSI Sunil Gudlar gets bail in police drug mafia nexus case. Bail on surety of 1 lakh rupees. Goa is beyond sun and scent. The state has great potential to contribute in the field of art and literature. Now the news in detail. Mines and Geology Department has directed 42 mining lease holders to file written submission by 20th December. 42 mining leases are issued show cause notices for illegal condonation of delay. Meanwhile, mine owner Harish Milwani has filed contempt of court plea against the Director of Mines, Prasanna Acharya, for directing him to pay fine with regard to encroachment beyond lease area. On Thursday, Mines and Geology Department issued notice to 42 leaseholders in respect of illegal condonation of delay. On 13 September, show cause notices were issued to these leases to explain why action should not be initiated against them for unlawful condonation of delay and why they should not be declared as null and void. The content of fresh notices: all leaseholders replied notices on 10th October and 25th October. Leases directed to file written submission by 20th December. Leases asked to submit all the relevant documents. If they fail to file written submission up by 20th December, it shall be presumed that leaseholders are restricting to their reply and the show cause notice shall be disposed of accordingly by the Mines Director without any further notice. Meanwhile, leaseholder Harish Milwani has refused to pay the fine charged by Director of Mines and Geology Department in regard to encroachment. He has filed contempt of court plea against the Mines Director.
स्पष्टीकरण ताणे दिला पळय तातून ताणे लिंक केला माझे रिन्यूअल केसीक पण हाजेर साफ कळोन येता की हे स्वताचे अंडरटेकिंग कोर्टाक दिले ते मानिना आनी वयल्यान जे पळय रिन्यूअल माझे ड्यू आशिल्ले ते तो आटकोंक सोदता आनी ते कॉलॅप्साक आपूण इन्क्रोचमेंट करून एक निमित्त करता ते रिन्यूअल हॉल्ट करपाक ही सगळी गोष्टी आतां हांव CECकूय धाडटलो आनी फुडें अपिली करतलो आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टानूय दाखयतलो की हे लोक कशे घुणयता आनी कशे कितें मॅस चल्ला आनी कशे आपली तिळक काडटा लोकांचेर.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi for Prudent. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says mining issue can't be solved by a panel sitting back in Delhi. He said Goa government will not resume mining until the alleged irregularities are weeded out. Chief Minister celebrated his 56th birthday at BJP headquarters in Panji. He clearly claimed that only state government can solve the mining issue and nobody else.
The Supreme Court is a different matter. As far as state government is concerned, unless we are convinced that everything is proper, we are not allowing to start the mine. That we are very clear. आमचो फक्त भितर एकूच हे आसा. A panel working from Delhi cannot solve Goa's problem. This is, I am saying loud and clear. People sitting in air-conditioned offices does not understand the problem faced by people staying in Netrauri.
CM did not refute the possibility of entering national politics in future, but he said that he wants to concentrate on Goa for now.
So I want to tell the media and people of Goa that my term is 5 years, not 9 months. So let me deliver over a period of 5 years. You will understand the trend after at least 1 or 2 years. In 9 months I can set the trend. I can't do everything in 9 months. In 2 years probably I will be doing a lot of things. In 1 year I will be doing 40-50% of the things. So you have to give that time for any government because they are elected for 5 years.
The Supreme Court appointed Central Empowered Committee has recommended complete ban on mining operations in Goa until the state government notifies rules to regulate storage, transportation and shipment of mineral ore and completes the environment impact assessment. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Tulsidas Chari. Nuve MLA Mickey Pacheco has been released under probation of Offenders Act in engineer's assault case. Additional Court of Margao has convicted him in the case. Mickey has been convicted under Section 323 of IPC of simple injury. Court has warned Mickey not to repeat such acts in future. Mickey said that he had faith in judiciary.
Revision court has in fact upheld the conviction, but then converted the substantial section under which he was convicted for 353 to 323 of IPC, and we were heard on the point of sentence. And after hearing on the point of sentence, I had also argued that he be released on the Probation of Offenders Act. Court has released him under Section 3 of Probation of Offenders Act under admonition with the direction that he should not repeat such acts further.
I always have trust in judiciary, and there's faith I have. I'm happy with whatever it is.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.